In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Evernote without paying. Evernote is a versatile tool, perfect for organizing your notes, to-do lists, and ideas in one place. Whether you're managing personal projects or staying on top of professional tasks, Evernote can be an invaluable resource. Best of all, you can use it for free, and I'm here to show you exactly how to get started. First, the journey begins on the Evernote website. You want to open up your browser and head over to the official Evernote site. As soon as you land on their homepage, your eyes should catch the button that says, Get Evernote Free. This is the key to unlocking the platform without any cost. Clicking here will redirect you to a registration page where you can create a new account. Don't worry, Evernote won't ask you for any payment details, so you can proceed with peace of mind knowing that you're signing up for the free version. Once you've successfully signed up, you'll find yourself at a crossroads with several avenues to explore Evernote. The first option at your disposal is via the web app. This is a fantastic choice if you're someone who likes to work directly from your browser, and it ensures you have access to all your notes and ideas from any computer with internet access. It's as simple as logging in, and you're ready to start jotting down notes immediately. Alternatively, if you prefer using a dedicated application on your computer, Evernote offers desktop apps available for both Windows and Mac. To download the app suited for your operating system, you simply navigate to the Evernote download section on their site and pick the appropriate version. What's great about the desktop app is that it can give you a more integrated and seamless experience, allowing you to use Evernote with added shortcuts and offline capabilities. For those who are always on the move, the mobile app might just be your perfect match. Evernote provides mobile applications for both Android and iOS devices. You can find these apps in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Installing the app on your mobile device gives you the flexibility to capture ideas whenever inspiration strikes, even when you are not sitting in front of a computer. Regardless of the platform you choose, you'll be diving into a user-friendly experience where you can start creating notebooks, writing notes, and clipping content from the web. While the free version provides plenty of features for personal use, keep in mind that it does come with some limitations, such as a monthly upload cap and the number of devices you can synchronize. However, for many users, the free version is more than adequate for their needs. With these steps, you're all set to explore everything Evernote has to offer without spending a dime. I encourage you to dive in and start experimenting to see how it can fit within your workflow. Thank you for watching, and may Evernote help you keep your world organized and efficient.